Hey cadets! We'll be giving away some NFTs in this episode, so be sure to stay tuned to find out how to get one. Now, if you haven't been living under a rock, then you already know that non-fungible tokens are easily the hottest thing in crypto in 2021. For those of you who don't know, a non-fungible token is a unique digital asset managed on blockchain that you are able to buy, sell, trade, and own. The NBA launched their Top Shots platform, which is basically NFT trading cards, and a LeBron James dunk sold for over $200,000. Many musical and visual artists have quickly gravitated towards the NFT world, allowing them to monetize their creations without a need for agencies. Just have a look at people's single NFT that sold for $69 million. We always knew that NFTs had potential, but we would have never guessed that it would blow up this big and this fast. Navigating the world of NFTs can be intimidating, especially if they're your entry point into crypto. Today, we'd like to share some of our favorite NFT platforms and potentially what separates them from the rest. After all, there are so many that it can be hard to narrow down which ones are right for you. With that being said, let's take a look at the latest and greatest NFT platforms.
Cryptonauts.
First up, SuperFarm. SuperFarm is a cross-chain DeFi protocol designed to bring utility to any token by turning it into an NFT farm. And the best part, there's no code required. Using their library of visual tools, any project can now deploy their own exciting new farm with custom rules. Imagine taking your own personal NFT collection and turning it into a farm. They recently joined forces with crypto powerhouses like Animoca Brands, Injective, and Parsec, meaning that the SuperFarm ecosystem is getting bigger and better. It's cross-chain compatible between Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, and they recently listed on Binance, a huge milestone. They recently began rolling out phase 1 of their platform, and this is only the beginning for SuperFarm. We're very excited to see where this goes. Next up, Refinable. Powered by BSC, the Refinable ecosystem allows creators, collectors, and traders to engage with rare tokenized content on an ultra-fast and low-cost network. Let's be honest, getting into the NFT game has been expensive due to Ethereum's high gas fees. If I were to add up all the money I've spent on gas fees on Uniswap, I don't even want to think about that. But have no fear, BSC is here. Refinable's community marketplace allows both amateurs and professionals to transact NFTs and even establish a digital storefront, all for a tiny fraction of what it would cost on Ethereum. Keep an eye out for their Fine token, which will be launching in April. Next up, Drops. The ultra-high gas fees strike again. Drops brings their NFT platform to the gasless Layer 2 solutions onto Polygon, formerly known as Matic. Drops plans to use the decentralized app technology from Biconomy to subsidize all transaction costs. This will enable users to interact with the platform as if it were the Ethereum mainnet. All users will gain the benefits of Polygon scaling, but retain complete custody of their NFT assets. They also plan to implement NFT staking, yield farming, and collateral-backed loans. Drops' public sale is taking place this month, so stay tuned. For an honorable mention, we wanted to give Chain Guardians a shout out. As gamers, we're excited for the development of blockchain gaming and NFTs. The Chain Guardians ecosystem allows players to participate in their free-to-play NFT mining platform and role-playing game, both of which allow players to earn income, turning your time and energy into tangible rewards. Alright cadets, it's the moment you've been waiting for. Time to give away some NFTs. We've collaborated with DigiDecks on creating a custom Cryptonauts skate deck. Imagine taking those tech decks you played with as a kid and turning them into an NFT. All you have to do is comment with a wallet address that can receive NFTs for a chance to win. What do you think? Are there any other NFT platforms coming up that you're excited about? Let us know some of your favorite projects in the comments below, and until next time, hodl, secure crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.